S01DB stroke F104 stroke 1 is a float level switch with a cranked arm float rod. The float rod can be shaped in the workshop or at site by the end user. In this example, the level switch is being supplied with a straight float rod, as the customer will shape the float rod into a cranked arm at site. Let's have a look at what we have. Here, open this up. First of all, in the box we have the gland fitting. Here we have the float itself with the gasket, and here is the switch mechanism. And here is the float rod. At the end of the float rod is a thread and there's a washer. It's applied like this for shipping purposes. So first of all, take the nut off. Take the washer off and put it the other way around. Now the float just screws into the float rod. Okay, now we'll come to an end. That's it. So let's fit the float onto the float rod. Now for the switch head end of the float rod. At the other end of the float rod, we want to attach it to the switch head. This is the switch head end of the float rod, and you can see there's a hole drilled all the way through. So what we have to do is remove on here we've got a split pin. So we need to remove that first of all. Fit this. Into here. Line it up. And split pan back into position. And then we have a bit awkward. There we are. And then open up the split out. Open out the split pin again. And there we are. We then have the switch mechanism. Let's just turn it over. The S01DB stroke F104 stroke 1. When fitting this at site, if you're going to bend the float arm into a crank position, bend the float arm before fitting it to the switch head.